Hi everyone, I'm Trixie, and today I'm going to react to B.A.P's new music video, Hurricane. Like you already know, I'm a huge B.A.P fan, so yeah, I'm going to make this very quick. So no more talking, let's start the video. So, oh yeah, and by the way, sorry for the bad quality, but I'm coming today with my sweater. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Oh my god, I can't. What? Oh my god, thank you. What is this? Oh my god. They look so good. Damn. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, oh my god, I don't know what to say! Oh my god, oh my god, that's hair! What? Oh my god, that's hair! What? What's this hair? That fucking looks younger. Go Jungkook! Go Jungkook!
The world is mine till we will shine.
Go Gano, go Gano, go Jungkook. Oh my god, I love you so much. What? Oh my god, Jungkook. He's amazing.
Turn it up now, burn it up now. Grab the mic and shout out to you now. Turn it
What
up
is
now.
this? Thank you guys. Oh my god. I don't know what else to say. Okay. Whoa, it's over. No. It's over. No. Oh my god. Like, seriously? What was this? Like, seriously. I like coffee shop, but this was just it's amazing. Like, seriously. They blow me away like a hurricane. I don't know what else to say. Like, I'm really speechless right now. Oh my god. I don't know what to say, damn. I definitely think this is still different from what they did, but I like the fact that they are trying new things, new styles, and I think it really suits them. Yeah, I really do think so. And I don't know, I don't know, they just looked amazing, and I really did notice Jason this time. They did really make look good, and I don't even have to talk about Jungle because he's my bias. And I love you, Jungle. Saranghayo. Okay. Um. Yeah, the music video was definitely cool. Best, absolutely perfect. The song I'm going to listen to it all day, of course. And yeah, I liked the dancing part, breakdown with Bello and Jungle. That was amazing too. And everyone had his little part, and I really loved the hurricane and Jason and this. So yeah, that's the part. Um, yeah. I don't know. I'm still speechless, so I don't really know what else to say. But I really, really, really love B.A.P. and I am really surprised by this music video because I didn't know what to expect. They're definitely trying to change their style, and I really like it. So third music video is coming soon, I hope. So waiting for it and wait for my reaction. Yeah, that was it for this one, and see you very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.